Hello everyone, I am Ilde and I prefer the he, him pronouns. I am part of the Sephora Pro team and I am here today to teach you some tips and tricks on how to take care of your beard, especially for transgender men and the non-binary community. I have 15 to 20 years of experience and I hope to give you some of those tips here today. Hey Sam, I'm super excited to have you here on this virtual consultation. Now, tell me a little bit more about you and any beard concerns you may have.
What's poppin', guys? I'm a trans man. My pronouns are he, him. I've been on testosterone for quite a bit, and I'm growing a beard. One thing that a trans man want is a beard. Like, everyone's like, how do I get a beard, you know? And for like you to give me tips about a good sense of what to do.
I know you receive a box with some Sephora products, right? And the first one that I want to talk about is from Peter Thomas Roth, okay? This is called Peptide 21. I love this guy because it's super easy to use. You have 60 pads in it. This is how they look. And you can use these guys once or twice weekly at nighttime. If you ever feel like you're getting a pimple or an ingrown hair, you can get these guys and use it with circular motion over the area you want to treat. This in here, you have a mechanical and a physical exfoliator.
This is actually very soft. It doesn't like irritate my skin at all.
It has salicylic acid. So salicylic acid will clean the pore and kill the bacteria immediately whenever you feel you have something like a pimple coming out or if you have any of your ingrown hairs.
That sounds very good because I do struggle with a lot of ingrown hairs and razor bumps.
I also send you 2 other products that will help with the hair growth and making your beard look fuller. Lustrous hair gummies. This is OLLY for Sephora collection. They have keratin and BIOTIN. Okay, so we recommend to take 2 of these a day, and they will really help with the hair on your lashes, eyebrows, beard, and your hair also. Like I've been taking it because I was trying to let my hair grow, and it really helps. We suggest that you take it at least for 4 to 6 weeks to see great results. The other product I sent you on the Sephora box is the GrandeLASH for Grande Cosmetics. And these you can use on your face, on the beard, eyebrows, anywhere where you may have a bald spot. I have one right here on the beard, on the lower area, and I can actually add some of the product in there to stimulate hair growth. Personally, I love to use this on my brows. You can layer it on areas where you really need to stimulate hair growth.
So I have a bald spot right there. I don't know if you can see it.
Perfect, yes.
You can see if it'll make it look better. Good.
So lightly add some, and remember, I will use this 3 times a week or 4 times a week at nighttime. And then after a week or 2, mixed with the gummies, you should really see a big improvement.
I'm very hoping that I'll see improvements on my spots that have no hair.
Well, I use it a lot on my lashes, and I getting compliments on my lashes a lot. So I see the results immediately. I know that it's a very effective product. So use it on the mustache and the beard. I would say take a photo of the before and after so that you can really then compare the results. But I guarantee you it's super effective.
This is actually making me very excited for my beard to be more masculine.
Hey, I'm excited with you. And then other products that can really help you make the beard look fuller, it's these guys right here. These are the Sephora collection retractable brow pencils.
Okay.
I love them because they're also waterproof. So if you're going to work out or if you're going out and you want your beard and your brows to stay in place,
okay,
one move, okay? I did get you 2 colors, and let's try them on the back of your hand so that you know how the colors look before you apply them on your brows. When we're doing makeup for men, it's really key the less is more approach. So the least makeup possible, the better and the more natural you will look.
So when you like apply it to you, don't put too much.
Perfect. So 2 colors for you depending on which one you feel it looks better with your hair. You want to try the number 5 first?
Yeah.
And I'm going to apply some on my mustache where I feel like I need to fill in.
And number 5 is the dark one or the...
Try the 6. Try the 6 better and see how it looks. And do it only on one side of your mustache to see the color. Yes.
My mustache, all right.
Very lightly, and you can do like little touches on the skin so that they really look like hair.
I have a bald spot right here on my mustache. Let's see if it looks
there.
And then...
Okay, the pencil, it has on one side the pencil to apply it, and on the other side it has a little brush.
Okay.
That brush is great for you to use because once you apply the pencil, then you can kind of like brush it off and it will help you make it look more natural.
Wow, that's actually really nice.
Right? Let me see you on the front again. Perfect. And Samuel, the best tip is sheer layers, meaning apply very little, have a look, and then you can go back and reapply a little more until you get the desired color saturation.
So you're telling me when I put one layer, make sure I look in the mirror and stuff before to see if it's too dark. If not, keep applying it until you get it perfectly how you want it.
Exactly. If you want to fill in also the beard, you totally can. Okay. And the idea is that you do little soft touches so that they look like hair.
So like that little bald spot I have right here.
That's it.
Wow, this is very easy. It makes it, wow, look at that. You can see the line. That's awesome.
So great tip. You see, you can build it up depending on how you want it to look that day, how dark you want it to look. And now I want you to get the Gimme Brow product.
Okay.
This guy right here from Benefit Cosmetics. Beautiful. This is a gel with color for your beard, for your brows, anyone you want to use it. But let's try it on your brows first. I feel like makeup for men, it's important, and that's where I really dedicate some time, Samuel. It's on the brows. Even though you have the mustache and the beard, which is beautiful, the main focus should be your eyes, and your eyes are gorgeous. So I want to enhance that a little more. So open your Gimme Brow. And it's a really, really tiny brush. All you have to do is apply some on your brows.
Okay.
It will make them look thicker.
So the motion I should be like doing this is up, not sideways, or?
Yeah, you do it on the same direction that your hair grows. So if you see at the beginning, I go upwards where the brow starts. I go
up. Wow, look at that.
And then I go diagonal, and then I go a little bit down.
Oh, wow. I actually have eyebrows, and I never could grow eyebrows.
And then grab your Sephora collection brush.
Okay.
Use that spoolie to remove maybe some of the excess if you apply too much, and make sure that it looks natural.
Oh yeah, that looks great.
I love that.
Wow. I like it.
This guy you can also use on your beard. So I have some gray hair that I don't love on my mustache. So I can literally go in there and hide them. Or in your case, this will help you add volume to the hair you have. So you can add it in areas where you want to make it look like you have more hair, and go lightly. Oh my God. How do you like that?
Wow. This is very nice, actually.
The Gimme Brow will give you that thickness, and it will add volume to the beard.
You see, with my beard, I grow right here. I have like a cut right there where they don't grow hair anymore there. So when I put this on, you see it covers up and makes the line more dominant, like masculine. You see it?
Perfect. You see, you're enhancing your shape now.
Like every trans man's dream is to have a nice beard.
Last but not least, let's talk about the brow powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You can use this guy to fill in brows and beard, mustache, even your hairline. Now, let's try the same product, your brush 20 and your brow powder, and now where you apply some of the powder, the brow powder on your mustache and beard, we can go back to set that so that it doesn't move all day long. So I'm going to go back and fill in a little more the mustache.
So for the beard, do we use the light one or the dark one?
It's up to you. Sometimes I also mix them together. So
Okay.
do a one touch in both colors. Tun, tun. And then touch softly where you want it to go a little bit darker.
And do we use the back brush to like blend it in kind of?
Yes, always, yes. The back of your brush is what is going to really create that shape that it looks like hairs.
I'm pretty glad because when you aren't testosterone, it takes a couple of years to even grow a beard as much as mine. So to actually have something to make my beard look thicker.
How do you feel so far with all the techniques, the products?
It's gonna take a little bit to like, teach myself to actually do it properly. But other than that, I love it. It makes me feel like very masculine.
Hey Samuel, I hope you really learned some easy, quick tips with us today.
Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure.
If you want to leave any comments about the video or if you learn any good tips with us here today, please leave your comments below. For more videos like this, please check our Bold Beauty tutorial for trans men and non-binary community. We have videos about skincare, hairstyling, and fragrances. Please go to sephorastand.com.